Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you and to teach you how to do this beautiful granny square. It is a traditional granny square but with no gap. As you can see, there is no gap whatever on the square. There is no corner whatever, nothing. So I'm using this square for a jacket, base jacket for so many square design. So I'm going to show you. So let's start, shall we? For the first row, I'm going to start by doing a magic circle, pull here, and then chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. 3 chain. Now in this circle, I'm going to do 11 double crochet. This is 1. Including the first 3 chain, which is count as 1 double crochet. Hold the tip of my finger, insert inside the first 2 loops, the remaining 2. Again, I have 4, I need another 8, so continue doing the 8 and come again for the next row. I'm done. I'm going to pull the yarn, do a slip stitch, chain and chain 3. Now in the next stitch I'm going to do 2 double crochet in the same stitch. This is 1 and this is the second one, and in the same stitch I'm going to do a triple, meaning I have to yarn it twice, insert inside, pull again. I have 4 loops, the first 2, the remaining 2, and again in the next stitch again we're going to work a triple, yarning it twice, insert inside, pull. I have 4 loops on my hook, the first 2, remaining 2, and then again a double, 2 double crochet in the same spot. This is 1 and this is 2. In the next stitch I'm going to do a 1 double crochet. And this is the part where we're going to repeat again, doing 2 double crochet in the same spot, in the same stitch, and with the triple, which is yarning it twice, insert inside, pull the first 2, the remaining 2, again yarning twice in the next stitch, a triple, and then 2 double crochet in the same stitch. This is the part we're going to repeat twice. One double crochet and then do the 2 double, 1 triple, and so on. So continue doing this and come again for the next part. Now I'm going to do a slip stitch in the 3rd chain from the hook. For the square to get, you're going to work this part 2 double, 1 triple in the one stitch, and 1 triple, 2 double in the same stitch. Between them 1 double crochet again. If you've seen, repeat again, 2 double, 1 triple in one stitch, and 1 triple, 1 double in stitch. Between them 1 double crochet. So continue if you get here, and then in the next row we're going to repeat a row after a row. So I'm going to only to do this row within chain 3, and now in each of the double crochet you're going to work what? 1 double crochet in all the previous stitches. The double crochet, you're going to do a double crochet, except the triple, the previous triple. You're going to work what? 2 double in the same triple. You're going to do 2 double and 1 triple. The 2 triple we're going to work for the corner. Again, the next triple, working 2 triple, 1 triple, and then 1 double crochet. I have created my corner in the 2 triple. We're going to create the corner. Again, in all the previous double crochet, you're going to work 1 double crochet. and this is my square coming apart. So this is the part that you're going to repeat in all the previous double crochet. You're going to work a double crochet, except in the triple you're going to create the corner, one triple, you're going to do two double, one triple. In the next triple, one triple, two double. So each row you're going to repeat like this until you want it for a blanket, for whatever project you want. You can continue doing this row after row. But for me, this square is the square that I'm working for for my jacket. So I'm going only to do 6 row of this pattern. This is 1, 2, 3. I need 3 rows, and then I'm going to do a slip stitch and chain 1 and cut. So this is my square. I hope you like my video and you find it educational. Thanks for watching. Until next time.